started guiding out here where you get oysters right out of the water, and it was a completely different world. It's just not at all fishy, it's completely fresh. We are in a bay that's estuarine, and so there is a freshwater supply for them to be a bit sweeter. If you enjoy being outdoors in pristine wilderness, these trips are great, and then adding on top of that, you get oysters grown in, if you look around you, this is the farm.